Hi children, how are you? I hope you are all safe and fine. As children, yesterday what you learned how to make smallest number and largest number you learned. Yes, today see chapter number 1 numbers revision. Today abacus. See on abacus is a counting frame used in numerical calculations. See, you know abacus. Yes, no children. What is that? See, like this. See, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and rods. Okay. In these rods, we will keep the beads. Okay. For example, here they given like this. What is this? 464. Then what you will do? You should see the ones place, tens place, hundreds place first. Okay. See, ones place. In the ones place, which number is here? 4. That's why you should write here. Should draw here 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. In tens place, which number is here? 6. That's why you should draw here 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here hundreds place 4. That's why should write in this hundreds place 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. See children. How many ones? 4 ones. How many tens? 6 tens. How many hundreds? 4 hundreds. See? 400 plus 60 plus 4. As this is expanding form. How many hundreds? 4 hundreds. H means 100. 400 plus 6 tens plus 4 ones. Yes or no children? See, what is that number name? 464. Understood? See what we did here. We did expanded form. Again we wrote as a place values. See, in the hundreds place 4 hundreds are there. Tens place 6 tens are there. Ones place 4 ones are there. After that we wrote here numbers, number name. Understood children? See, write in the classwork ma. Next. Now examples I will give, that one write in the classwork. Example. See, represent number 369 on the abacus. See, you should represent in the abacus. What you will do? You should first draw the abacus. See, here 3 digits are there. Yes, that's why 3 digits you should write. Ones, tens, hundreds. In ones place, which number is here? 9. 9 bits you should draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Tens place 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hundreds place 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now you should expand this. Okay. And expanding. Expanding means what? 369 equal to 300 plus 60 plus 9. Yes or no? Now number, see, 300 means what? Here 300. As number name we should write as 300 and 69. Understood? Right. Write in the classwork. Next 4 digits. Listen carefully, children. The 4 digits number, 4 digit numbers. Okay. In this 10 ones. 10 ones means 110. As 100, sorry, 10 tens. 10 tens is equal to 100. Yes or no? See, we know 3 digit numbers. 999 is greatest number. Smallest number is? Smallest number in 3 digit number? 100. Yes or no? In the 3 digit number, (999) is largest number. As in 3 digit number, 100 is smallest. See children, in the 3 digit number, (999) is largest number. Yes. Again, 3 digit number, 100 is smallest number. In 4 digit number, 4 digit number, which one is the largest number? See, 9,999. 9,999 is largest number. 4 digit number, which number is smallest number? 1,000. Okay, you should keep it in the mind, children. Largest number and smallest number. Compulsory you should keep it in the mind. Okay. In 4 digit number, 5 digit number, any number, you should keep it in the mind that. See, 10 ones, 110. 10 tens, 100. As you know. Let us now learn how to represent 4 digit numbers on abacus. We know that each rod on an abacus can hold only 9 beads. When the 10th bead comes, they are moved as a group to the next rod. Okay children, with a higher place value. Let us first represent 999 on the abacus. See here. What we did here? 999. Yes. See here. 1s plus 9, 10s plus 9, 100 plus 9. Okay. If we add 999, 1, what will happen? See, you know 100 tens equal to 1000. Yes or no, children? See, if we add here 1's place, okay, if we add, this is 9, okay, in a 1's place 9. In this 9, if you add 1, 10 bits will come. As you will keep like that only 10 bits? No. We should move. See, children, in this we should add, see, 9. Yes, in this 9 you should add 1. If you add 1, what will happen? See, adding 1 to 9, ones will given 10 ones equal to 110. Yes or no, children? Then what we will do? We will move the next place. Yes or no? We will give carry to next place. Next, tens will become 100. Yes or no? Again what we will do? Now we have 10 hundreds at the hundreds place. Then what we will do? 10 hundreds will move to a new place called thousands, which is next to hundreds. Yes or no, children? Thus, the smallest 4-digit number 1000 is represented on the abacus as shown. See, like this. 1000 means what? You should draw only one bit on the thousands place. Similarly, we can represent other 4-digit numbers up to 9999 on the abacus. We can study number blocks also. Yes or no, children? We studied number blocks also. From 0 to 1000, the letter A appears for a first time in 1000. Understood, children? See here, 9 plus 1, 10 ones. 10 ones means 110. Next, 9 tens plus 110, 100. Yes or no, children? You know blocks. Next, 9 hundreds plus 100, 10 hundred is equal to 1000. Understood, children? Listen carefully. See this. Okay. Next. See, this is 1000. This is 2000. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7000. Understood? See, 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. 9999 is the largest 4-digit number. Already I said you. Yes or no? Children, you should do this work. See, 4-digit number move just like 3 digits. Yes or no? See, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. After that, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. Like that you should write. Here, 1091, 1092, 1093. Like that you should complete this. Okay? Complete it. This is your homework. You should fill this. Next, see this example, children. What is this? This is 1000 block. Yes, this is 100. This is 30. This is 2. See, 1000 plus 100 plus 30 plus 2. What is that answer will come? See, like this answer will come. Solution. See, 1000, 100, 3 tens, 30, 2, Okay, see what is that answer? See, like this, 1132 is the answer. Understood, children? See this here. How many thousands? How many thousands are here? 1, 2, 3. Here, how many hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. See, you should add this. I will add. See here. 3000. See, what is this? 3500. 7 tens means 70. 4 ones means 4. What is that? 3574. Okay, like this you should do. Okay, children. Children, take out your classwork and write. Complete the table. See, first you should draw 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. What is that number first? After that, representation on the abacus. What is that? Representation on the abacus. You should write. Okay. After that, expanded form. Name in words. Name in words. Okay. See, they will give like this number. You should represent on the abacus. What will do? You should draw the abacus. See, ones, tens, hundreds. Rods also you should draw. Again, you should draw the beads. See, in ones place, how many beads are there? 5. That 5 you should write here. Draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beads. In tens place, how many beads? 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. In hundreds place, how many beads? 7 beads. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. See. 7 hundreds. 7 hundreds. Here, how many tens? 5 tens. Yes. Here, how many ones? 5 ones. Yes or no? See, 700 plus 5 tens means 50 plus 5. What is that number name? 700 and 55. Okay. See, next number. Next number. What is that? 634. You should represent as a in the abacus. See, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. See here. How many beads are there in ones place? 4. You should draw here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, tens place. How many beads you should draw? 3. 1, 2, 3. Hundreds place. How many beads you should draw? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, see how many hundreds? 6 hundreds. Yes. How many tens? 3 tens. Yes or no? How many ones? 4 ones. Now, what is that expanded form? 600 plus 3 tens. 30 plus 4 ones. 4. What is that number name? 630 and 634. 634. Write in the classwork. Write properly in the classwork. See how many columns? 4 columns. Number, representation on abacus, expanded form, name in words. Okay, you should do this.